please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
We have an F&O expert and it's particularly important today. Manoj Murlidharan of Religare Securities joins us now. Good morning, Manoj. Nifty Bank has had its fair share of bad news in terms of the way in which the rupee and bond yields have behaved. But today at expiry, what do you expect?
Good morning, Lata. Lata, the difference here is weekly expiry. Generally, there is a concept of max pain, which simply means that the net open interest prevailing in the let's say 200 points above and below, that is where the expiry tends to culminate. Now, if we simply calculate that levels comes to somewhere close to 26,580 on the spot. We all know that the expiry works on the spot basis. So a better strategy here is, because the future is still at a premium of good 60 to 80 odd rupees points rather. I would say recommend buying a 26,500 call option for today's expiry, or you buy futures closer to that level with a stop loss of, let's say, 120 points. So 380 should be a stop loss. 26,380 should be the stop loss. We are expecting the Bank Nifty to surge all the way to 680 to 700. So 26,680 to 700 might be the resistance for the day. This is possible in the first of or maybe towards the major part of the day, because eventually we are expecting the expiry, that the settlement which happens at 3:30 might be somewhere close to 26,580 to 600 on the spot. So yesterday there is huge short which has come into the Bank Nifty. I guess for the first time we've seen around 22%, which is being carried into the next trading session. So possible the September end of the monthly expiry might see some more carnage, but for today's expiry I'm expecting this 160 180 odd points. So you can better buy the 26,500 call option, or maybe go with the future at this point of time.
Okay, Manoj, hi, good morning. What about individual stocks? What would be on your list this morning?
Sonia, good morning. I like Bata a lot, because this stock has shown, it was on some distribution since last 3 to 5 odd session, but then off lately the VWAP levels of 998 has worked excellent for it, and we have seen good reversal on the stock. Now the good part is we are expecting at least an 8 to 9% move, because this has happened with a long built up on the derivative side, and especially towards the last, let's say, 6 to 8 days of expiry. So buying Bata at 1010 to 1015 with a stop loss of 996, and we are expecting a target of 1070 on that. So that should be the first trade. Second is Bank of Baroda. Obviously, needless to say, there is huge short which has come into yesterday's trade, and as I was saying, because these stocks would have a monthly expiry which is on 27th of September. So even a 100 strike put option, which is somewhere close to 90 paisa to 1 rupee, that's a good risk reward. You can buy that. There is a good possibility it might give you close to 3.5 to 4 odd rupees. So buying Bank of Baroda this month monthly 100 strike put option and 1 rupees. Obviously no stop loss on that. I guess the lot size around 4,000 on that, and for a target of 3 to 4 is what we recommend at this point of time.